3. In this video, I'll show you how to upscale an image in Midjourney. First, open your web browser, go to the Midjourney website, and sign into your account. From the dashboard, open the image you want to upscale from your gallery. Next, click on the image to open it in full view. Once the image is open, look for the Upscale option in the editing toolbar. Now, click Upscale to create a higher resolution version of your image. Midjourney will process the request and generate a larger image with enhanced detail while preserving the overall composition and style. After that, wait for the upscaling process to finish. Once it's complete, review the enhanced image to make sure you're satisfied with the quality. If additional editing options are available, you can continue refining the image before downloading it. Finally, click Download to save the upscaled image to your device. You can repeat the same process with any other images in your gallery whenever you need a higher quality version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upscale an image in Midjourney. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.